Want to create a header in Elementor? In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can build a custom header for your WordPress website without any coding. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Start by opening your browser and logging into the backend of your WordPress site. From the left-hand menu, click on Templates and head over to Save Templates. At the top, click on Add New Template. A pop-up will appear. Choose Header as the template type and give it a name. I usually just call it Header. Then click Create Template. Elementor will now open up its editing panel and automatically take you to the template library. You can pick a pre-designed header here by hovering over any template you like. You'll see two options: Insert and Generate Variations. Pick whichever suits your style, or just close the library to build your own from scratch. Scroll down and choose your layout, either Flexbox or Grid. I prefer Flexbox. Once selected, go to the top left corner, click the Elements icon, and drag the site logo widget to your new section at the top of the page. This is where most websites add their branding. You can also put menu items like Home, About Us, and other landing pages in this section. These elements can all be styled later according to your needs. Once your header layout is ready, click the Publish button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear with Add Condition. Click it. Leave the first option as Include and set the second one to Entire Site. That way, your header appears across your whole site, just like most pro websites. Click Save and Close, and your header is live. One point to be noted here is that this video solely focuses on how to create a header, not how to design it. The design depends entirely on your preferences and brand requirements. Once you're done, want to see what it looks like? Hit the preview icon next to the Publish button and you'll see your new header in action, complete with logo, text, heading, and any buttons you added. You can always come back and tweak things later inside the Elementor editor. I always use Elementor to build this type of awesome site you see in the video. If you also want to give it a try, my affiliate link is down below. It's my go-to tool. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.